So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your video from YouTube if you have deleted that video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Alright, so all you have to do, you have to click on the top right, like on your profile picture, and over here you have to select send feedback. Now you have to send a feedback to your YouTube team, and they will recover your video. All you need to do, you have to type this text, and over here you have to put the title of the video and the link of the video. Now I'm sure that you must remember the title, but you're thinking that how would we get the link? So first of all you need to do, you have to go to your Gmail, which is basically connected with your YouTube, and over here we have this social tab. Now if the video is deleted, you will obviously got an email from YouTube that you have deleted the video. So from there you can easily select the link of that video. All you need to do, you have to paste both these things, like your title and the link, and then just send. As soon as YouTube will get your response, they will notify you through your email address, and within 24 hours your video will be recovered. So this is how you can recover your deleted YouTube videos. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.